This one na update on the woman wey talk say her husband kidnap her 11-month-old pikin. All of una know when I talk about this matter, this lady wey they call Diana Ebunoluwa, wey talk say her husband Ibrahim, wey two of them follow go school, say the man invite her come one restaurant for Lekki. Before you go see am, the man don beat her, and by the time when she go see, she don faint. When she wake up, the pikin don disappear. Say she no even come see her pikin again. The next time when she see the pikin, na for police station, and this pikin look unkept. Now this Mr. Ibrahim don come outside say this girl na liar. Say this girl sabi lie, Say all the thing wey this girl talk, all of them na lie. Say this girl false these things, she just wan put the man into trouble. This man now they talk say he no even assault her. He no even say the mark wey dey this girl mouth sef no be him even cause this mark. Now Holy Spirit come beat this girl, be who come beat this girl like this? Wey be say wound don full all this girl body. I no come understand though. But the man they talk say wetin make am leave this girl now because of say this girl they smoke different things. Say this girl sef no dey even take care of the pikin. He go send money. This girl no go still take care of the pikin. Say recently he invite this girl say make him and this girl go party abi make dem comot with the baby. He come see loud. Wetin be loud sef? People wey na dey smoke na go know am. I no know wetin be loud. Say he see loud inside this girl by baby basket. Na there wahala come out and this girl sef dey talk say this thing no be true. The man come even talk say the day wey this girl born pikin, this girl comot say she dey travel go Lagos go meet another man. The day wey person born, you wey you wan born, shebi you know say your belle go dey disturb you. I believe say this man sef e be like say lie dey this story. Say the person come comot from house the day wey pikin wan come out, she come go say she wan go meet another man. Say the man sef na make as she born sef, she no even know who get the belle. So she dey feel say na that man wey she go meet sef na make him sef request for DNA. And as the DNA come out, e come be say na him get this pikin. But as the matter be like this, if you now remember, this girl have talk and say, na oju kokoro, na I make her leave this one because she don't already get person where they take care of her. And as this her husband now, this Mr. Ibrahim, he don't carry this matter go court. You know, so they talk and that make this girl carry this matter go court. But like say this boy get money, and this boy say this girl now because of money. Say this girl tell him say he don't abort the pikin, no, he don't abort the belly. When he comes, he say he don't hammer. Which work you say they do where he don't hammer? As since he don't hammer, the girl come back, come meet and say she don't born the pikin. Now there himself come they look say, maybe this pikin no be his own. He won't collect the pikin. Say she know they take care of, but this pikin where me are they see. This pikin where they see. This pikin look well. They even use this pikin for causing baby advertisement. But what they do? All these their contest we're causing it. This pikin look fine. Even for the mama and pikin picture, this pikin look fat, look healthy. I don't understand where this boy they talk say this mama no they take care of this pikin. I feel say this. In fact, now only God know who they talk to inside this two. Now I make I know they like put my mouth inside relationship. Later now they will come put you for me to say now you say. In which them they know it. As we they settle this one, no go surprise say tomorrow two of them go there together now again. They chop love. Where we there now they scatter our head say they fight they do this one. But say the man don't carry this matter go court and now for court now even talk all this one. Say you won't collect him pikin. But if you collect this pikin, how you want to breastfeed this pikin? This pikin too small. At least, the best thing I got, make this girl come kuku go they stay with your mama. Maybe if your mama they take care of her, she go feel monitor her. That loud and everything where she they smoke. She no go they smoke and again. Your mama go they look her well. They take care of she and the pikin. Then if the pikin reach a certain age, the pikin go come decide say, I won't go here, I won't go here. But as be, let us say this man no release this pikin no. He say now he won't take care of him pikin. He say won't take care. But you wake come be man. How you want to take the drum? You know they go work. You go they carry, you go buy a pa, they bag the pikin. If the pikin wants suck breast, now your breast only they come on milk. Now you come say you want to give the pikin. How you want to drum? How you want to manage am? Think this thing well, think this thing well. And in fact, it good make person get money. Because I feel say that because this Ibrahim get money, now make am don't rush, carry everything go court. If say this girl self get money, if you don't carry this man self go court. But as the matter be, maybe she know to get. Now I make she self now, they don't put her for one side. But as the story be, I don't feel judge them. Now only God, now I know who they talk through between husband and wife, been a boyfriend and girlfriend. Now only God, now I go feel judge. And you self longer throats. Now you even don't first fuck up from the beginning. When you don't see person where they take care of you and your pikin, you can't decide say you won't leave am. Go they follow Ibrahim. Go don't tell you say no one's the pikin. Now what do you find? Now your eyes see you. As the matter be, now here I go end am. Make now no forget to comment anything when I think about this matter. Make I una write am for the comment section. Then make una no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see una for our next video. One American TV reality star wey they call Kim Kardashian don break out in tears. She dey talk say wetin, say she be failure. Say in fact, say she be loser. And wetin this lady talk, this Kim Kardashian now, wetin make her dey talk this thing now, because her marriage don fail now for the 3rd time. This woman don marry first husband, second husband, third husband. Wetin that one dey tell her mean say love and money no dey do everything. This woman get money die, but still they dey break up. Make una watch this video.
Her and Kanye had this big fight.
I think he deserves someone that can go support his every move and go follow him all over the place and move to Wyoming. I can't do that. He should have a wife that supports his every move and travels with him and does everything, and I can't. I feel like a failure, that it's like a 3rd marriage. Yeah, I feel like a loser. But I can't even think about that. Like, I want to be happy.
And I don't see as Kim they cry, say, and she be failure, say she no go fit do this thing for the man. She no go fit they follow and they travel, they move around. I can't they wonder, what's this woman they do? This woman will be saying a celebrity, maybe you go just even there, apart from that her show where she they do that Kim Kardashian show. What's in again, she no fit they say she no fit they follow Kanye West, they walk up. And they look, they cry if you know even pure. Because the way where she they cry, you be like, and these people they don't marry for 7 years. They don't born 4 children. What's in fact, what in when they live in herself for? What in they live in her 2 day okay? So because of say and you know if they follow them, okay, they sit down for house now. They do things where you go they do for house. Make the man they go do your own show. Celebrity, blessing just like divorce. Making her marry, be like say this lady she just like to they change that thing. Today she don't follow this one. Tomorrow the thing don't tire her. She go to the next man because of that thing. If the thing tire her again, she go another one. Because I no can understand. She can't cry saying the thing they pain her. If you really want to make this relationship work, you go stay. And this lady don't already even file for the divorce. So nobody said they say she don't even do herself since February 2021. And she don't already file for this divorce. So no be something where be say she just even they plan. She wait till she go even talk. She say, can you suppose get wife? We go support them in every move, anything when they do. But we go to follow and they travel, they feel do it, and she no feel do that kind of thing. What did she they do for house? Now being at the children, all these kind of big people, they get nanny for house. So I don't know which kind of excuse come with this one. See, you get money. In fact, if you get money, people go still divorce you. But see, make she not take them too serious on herself, because this woman don't account. If I get the kind of money where this woman gets, I don't go even they bother myself. Say which kind of man I be. I don't go worry myself because she did okay. But now when she come they cry, I beg, take it easy on yourself. No be you go be the first person who say they go through divorce. Many people they divorce for this world. Not be only you. And if you if you feel say nobody want to say today now you go come out because we hear say you talk say the man get bipolar. Now another reason now they talk. Don't say tomorrow now you come talk say the man they beat you, be the man they do this thing. Now I make you really leave him. Talk wetin cause all this palaver now. Make we know as we want to settle this matter. Make we hear the true story of this matter. Don't say tomorrow now new story. Now I go come outside. As it be, now here I go leave this matter for now. Anything when I feel, make a write am for the comment section. Then make no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video.